Local pathologist here. I want to thank the team of investigators at the region, in the county, and in Malinya. And I want to thank the homicide squad from Nairobi that was led by the director himself for giving this matter the seriousness it deserves. I'm glad that Dr. Oduor, the government pathologist, has now announced a closure.
The autopsy was performed by the local pathologist, Dr. Mchana. However, there were some complaints which led to us being called here to do a repeat. So I'll go straight to my findings. What I found is that the late Kizito had injuries. One injury was on the forehead on the right side. There was one on the anterior neck and on the inner thigh of the left leg. Looking at these injuries, they were penetrating, and they also had some features which included some bruising around them. And to look at them closely, they look like injuries which are caused by something which was penetrating but was not very sharp, was a bit blunt.
I was representing the complainants, the people who had alleged that there was some sort of foul play. But indeed, I have attended the postmortem, I've written my report, and I concur with what Dr. Johansen Oduor has stated.
And with this, I would like, as I pass my condolences to the family, my community, and the bullfighting fraternity, that we shall move the remains of Moi to mourning in the usual manner, and we shall bury him on Monday at home.
And